longer fear the unknown, cause I know what I am here for. I keep on trotting on my own path, keep on learning from my present and past, yeah. When I no longer need validation, cause my story is long and I'm patient. I know that I have lessons to learn, keep my eyes open each step I earn, yeah. No need for me to feel alone, cause I got a place that I call home. Every single road travel, every single new place I come back home, they accept me with grace, yeah.
These sugar sections with my friends. Ooh, you and your sweet sense-a-melia. Baby, need that every day, yeah. Ooh, you are my addiction, yeah, yeah. You never leave me astray, yeah, yeah, no. Sweet sense-a-melia.
She wants to be dazzled by diamonds, a dame dipped in gold. Behold, this honey right beside me, straight up cold. Who knows if she be loving me or what I hold inside my hand right here. We send another story to my phone, another glorious hello from this whole squadron above. I'm sorry, little piggies, but the two of us must go. So we'd appreciate some room or get the room straight to the doom, cause we don't mess around.
So I'm gonna be love, I'm gonna birth strength, I'm gonna be where I'm at and give thanks. Take my time, admit when I'm wrong, write it all down and sing a new song. I'm gonna be free, gonna be me, cause I know that it's all that I have to be. I'ma be bold, find strength there. Oh, now I'm gonna be love. I'm gonna be love, yeah. I'm gonna be love, yeah. I'm gonna be love, yeah.
This one's for my tribe. One tribe. Because we're all in this together, living in crucial times. Yeah, and we can make a change. We can make a change. We can learn how to love each other and how to live.